Hello, hello. Hope if you're watching this, that means you're watching the replay. And I'm going to add a bow here. I think I think she has to hop on, so I'm going to wait. As you all know, we are going to exfoliate today, and I know what's it like these evening lives gives you time for you to what is it like enjoy more and watch it leisurely, and so even I am trying to incorporate as much I can. That way, we will be able to share it with many of them, and I'm just waiting for Bob to hop on because today again Bob is going to do with us. So let me wait. I know she has a little one, and today again she didn't sleep. Poor thing. Whenever she tries to hop on, I know the kids will know the plan for sure, and they will be awake on the day when we want them to sleep. So, Juhi, I know you are watching. Can you type a message? So far, nothing has popped up, so I'm just making sure it works. So. Um, Today we are going to talk about exfoliators, but we are going to do it in a different way. When we are doing just exfoliators, you will just do twice a week, and that's what we are going to show how you're going to use the exfoliator here. I think I'm going to type myself because yes, I'm going to wow, and also I will type it because it said it will work. Yes. Hi, Baba.
Hello, 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 hello. Hi, 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 hi.
So sorry that he didn't sleep again today.
No, that's okay. He is with his dad right now, so it should be okay.
Thank you so much for
Hi,
doing.
guys.
So,
No
how we are going to do this today is, I know Bob
Uh-huh.
knows to exfoliate, but what we are going to do is, we are going to first use the cleanser here. Bob is going to use the dry one, right, Bob? She has the dry
I'm
cleanser.
just,
You want to
trying
keep
to
it?
place my phone somewhere.
Yeah, do it. Hopefully, don't drop it in the water.
I know.
I don't want you to do that.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I think this should
Yeah,
be okay.
good.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. So I don't know whether anybody is commenting because so far I didn't see. They said to type in, so I typed in, but
No,
I didn't have.
I think we're watching you. Suma
They are watching, but I
has
didn't see any
hi.
comments so far.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. That's hi from me because Soumya said last time that it will come, but maybe I will just press the center button and go out and come. Let's see how it works. Came and I still didn't see
Yeah,
any
you can
comments.
see
I
that.
think yes, everyone is commenting. See, that's this worked. Yeah, this worked now. Yeah, whenever it
Okay,
doesn't pop,
Bhargavi
if
is
you
saying bring a chair. If I bring a chair, probably I can't use um, the uh, the sink, right? For water.
that's okay. That's okay. Like I mean, it's okay. Once you wash the face, maybe you can even keep it in your hand or something. Like I don't want you to drop in the water. That's the only concern.
Okay, yeah.
Hi,
Yeah, we can
Jyoti. Hi,
start.
Mansa. Thank you for hopping on, Juhi. Thank you so much. I know that's what like I have heard this way where you keep the center button and go out and come back. The comments will pop up. But last time
Okay,
Soumya
so it is
said to
popping
me,
better now. Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So what we are going to do is first we are going to
Mm-hmm.
cleanse, whereas Bhav is going to do once, but I am going to do twice. So let's first put a little bit of water on our face, and then let's
Okay.
wash our face and talk about it.
Sure.
So I know Bhav is also going to use the what's it like a dry line. So I'm going to first start with it. What this is going to do is this is going to help us remove all the impurities first. Think that you are doing it at the end of day or something. So if you had makeup or anything, this will really help removing it. And basically what is exfoliation is, as we age, our cellular turnover is going to slow down. So we always talk about having the plumpier cells when we were young. So it's like having it in a nice and plumpy, juicy grapes. So when we were young, like a child, then it's going to be in that state. So when we touch a child, that's how we feel it, because it's nice and plumpy and they are getting newer cells even within few days. So that's the reason. And make sure you can do it at least 30 to 40 seconds or a minute, I would say. I like to concentrate on the areas where you get blackheads or anywhere. That way you will not allow anything to clog the pores. We are going to do the resurfaces to Jyoti, but what we are going to do here today is, this is like doing a professional facial when you go out. So instead of just using the exfoliator, we are first cleansing it twice. I'm going to do twice today. That way I can make sure I don't have any dead skin cells or impurities before I go there. And Bhav is also done. I think Bhav, we can wash it first one.
Yeah.
So Bhav is going to wait, because I told her I will do the second time and she can wait for like just 1 more minute. Meanwhile, so what I did is, since I use two different lines, I use the normal to oily in the morning and I use the dry in the night. I first started with the dry, and now I'm putting a little bit moisture back, and I'm going to use the normal to oily line here. So this is the second cleansing I'm going to do. You don't have to have two cleansers. You can do with the one cleanser you have. But this is like, think of, what is it, like brushing your teeth twice to make sure taking out anything. See, even we brush every day, but going to a doctor and cleaning makes a difference, right? So this is like something like that. You are not going to do it every day. This is only 15 days once or once in a month. So that way you make sure you clean, take extra time and just cleanse it. Here I use the normal to oily line, where it has, I couldn't show it, but if you see it in the tube, you can see there is volcanic ash down. You can see the black colored ones. So those are volcanic ash, which is going to be again in our exfoliator.
Hi, Shabna.
Hi, Shabna. Thanks for hopping on. And so what this volcanic ash is going to do is, our cleansers itself is called 3-in-1 because it's going to gently exfoliate. It's not an actual exfoliator. They gently exfoliate every single day. So that way, when you put anything on top of it, like I know Bob uses night cream and dark circle and all. So what it makes sure is, it makes sure it gently exfoliates every single day. That way you don't have any dryness or any rough patches when your treatment go on top. So I don't want to make you guys wait. So I'm going to wash it now, and let's come back and start about the exfoliation.
Exfoliator. So this is the one I have, exfoliator. I could grab it last time from RP. The exfoliator.
Yeah.
It's a really good grab, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You find a lot of difference with using that and.
Yeah. Actually, I think Bob and me are going to use two different exfoliators. Bob, can you show? I think Bob's is similar one, but hers is called polishing exfoliator, which is no more in the website, and even I don't have. Can you open it and show, Bob?
Yeah.
Hers will be
mine is somewhat white. Grayish.
Yeah, grayish. It's both the same concept, except mine has walnut, crushed walnut shell in it. Both are from the place called. Let's start exfoliating, Bob. Meanwhile, I will talk.
Sure. And I think mine is more creamy and yours is little dry.
Mine is grainy. That is the only difference. Let me show how I'm going to use. This is how much I will start. Yeah. So you take a tiny bit add little bit of water to it. Yeah. And you have water in your face to buff. Yeah. So that way you will have everything in your hand. So if you see the exfoliators, these are from a place called Vanuatu in South Pacific region. And Senegal is the only company that has rights to take the volcanic ash from them, because Senegal has given jobs to the entire island. Bob, yours froze up. Yeah. So when you
Sorry, I'm
exfoliate,
getting messages and then I think because of that.
yeah, because I know this one is little different from what Bob is using. Unfortunately, it got sold out and it's not available anymore. That's
Oh,
why
I'm glad I
always
could grab it.
yeah, whenever I say last chance, please do grab.
Grab it up,
I
right?
do not have it.
Yeah.
Even I don't have. Kabi is saying, please do grab. I said yes. So nowadays it comes in this package. It doesn't come
The
like
tub
this
anymore?
anymore.
Oh.
Yeah, the resurfacer this is a new packaging, so it comes in a tube these days.
I think the tub
And
is
you have
better, right? Because there is no wastage.
yes, and also the amount of things you get in this tube is going to last you very long, because as you said, it's only twice a week. So it's going to be there for at least 8 to 9 months, I would say. And whether you have what to say, like teens or your spouse, anyone can use this, because it is just going to remove all the impurities from your skin, and also any dead skin cells. So now I feel mine is dry, but if I want to do a little bit more, I can always
No,
add a little bit of.
this is not a resurfacer. Jyoti, this is
Yeah.
not resurfacer.
Yeah, I know. Resurfacer, I think people who have used the sample, they will immediately come back and say, the moment I use it, I can see the difference, because you will immediately see the gratification. Like, once you wash your face and touch it, you will immediately find the difference. And people who always talk about having blackheads and other things, Bob, you can let it just sink for a minute. What it does is, it's going to act as an enzyme peel, and you can it is going to act like a Pac-Man and start eating all the dead skin cells on your face.
Dead skin,
so you can
right?
even leave
Yeah,
it
you
for a
can
minute or
actually
so.
make it out. Okay.
Yeah.
This is exfoliator, Jyoti.
Yeah. This is the resurfacer I sent Jyoti. I think this one doesn't have anymore. The resurfacer only comes in the sample. So that's the one I have sent you and asked you to use it. So once you start removing this, having an exfoliation in your system, for example, if you're investing in brightening or dark circle, anything I'm saying in general treatment, unless you remove the dead skin cells, you are wasting the product, because it is not able to penetrate at all. And that way it is like you have the dead skins lying on top of your face, and it's not able to penetrate at all, and it start to clog your pores and you will start breaking out.
Hi, Kavita.
Yeah.
Hi, Kavi.
So you go ahead and wash in the meantime. So what you can do is, with this one product, if you have dry patches in your elbows, if you have thank you, Kabi, thank you so much for hopping on. Your resurfacer itself is the exfoliator, Jyoti, but there used to be two different exfoliators previously, but now resurfacer is the only exfoliator now. That's why we send it in samples, and you can use it all over the body, literally. For example, for people who has dry patches in the knees, if you have dry elbows, or even in your hand, once you are done, you can just rub it all over. That way you can immediately see your hands will feel so soft, and you can immediately feel it. So what this is going to do is,
I feel like going on touching my skin. So
let
soft.
me go ahead and wash it in the meantime.
Yeah. So soft. Can you see? Can you guys see? I'm so happy.
Yeah. So that's it. It's not going to take a lot of time at all. Exfoliation is such a easy process, and you can see how clean the face will look after exfoliating. It is like we don't have anything on the face, and it looks so soft. And it will, once you start exfoliating, I don't think even in my Indian trip, that's one thing I will always make sure I have it, because it's going to make a lot of difference when you
I know,
start
right?
exfoliating.
I
Yeah.
should ask somebody to, touch and do squishy squishy.
I know, you feel like even in your hands, because now that you have exfoliated, you can see, because mine and all used to be very hard actually. My hands supposed to be comparing to my sister or even to my husband, I would say mine used to be very hard. It's like a dry kind of one, but once you exfoliate, what it does is it's going to put back some moisture in it, and it's I know many people have used the apricot scrub. They used to say if you see it under the microscope, it will have harsh edges which will spoil your skin. Instead, yeah, Juhi, thank you so much.
For me, only
So,
problem is here,
uh,
right? Because I keep getting the black heads and white
yes,
heads and whatnot.
yes. And
So
now that
these are
we are
the
not going out at all, no, Bhavna,
yeah.
like previously, at least we had somewhere you can go or do it. You can see
I-
how clean it looks like. I mean, because
yeah.
you, yeah, you can concentrate those areas and make sure you take it out regularly.
So
That
soft.
way, it makes it so clear. And just to follow it with the nighttime or day, it doesn't matter. You can exfoliate any time of the day. I prefer to have it in my shower itself. So if you are a morning person, you can exfoliate in the morning, or if you are like shower at the night, then you can do your exfoliators at night. But make sure you do only twice a week. You don't have to, because once it makes us a habit. Hi, Abita. Thank you for hopping on. So once it makes us a habit, hi, Kavita. So it will make a huge difference in your skincare routine, whether whichever product it is. He's there. He's sleeping at not.
No, no, he's with his dad, so it's okay. He's in the office room. Yeah.
Other room. Okay. So I always talk about having the that's what, like a plumpier grapes to raisins and then cornflakes. So if you're having like the flaky layer, like for example, when you apply foundation or anything,
Mm-hmm.
if the flakiness is still there, then whatever you apply is going to look little patchier. So you need to make sure your skin underneath is good. That's when whatever you do is going to look really nice. And at the same way, when you exfoliate, you are taking away those cornflakes. So for example, if you're using climate control or anything, that can penetrate deeper to the raisins or even to the grapes, and it can make them plumpier again. So that's the main reason I always talk about exfoliation. So since we talked about the basic skincare yesterday, the next thing I would always suggest to add will be adding one exfoliator at least to your routine. Like uh, how much ever busy you are, I feel like this 30 to 40 seconds is totally worth the time you can
Yeah.
do.
Not even see like 10 minutes. Not even 10 minutes,
Yeah,
right?
should be there, I think. Yeah,
Yeah,
we are
with
just now
cleanser and like
7:45.
yeah.
Yeah,
So with
but
cleanser
I mean,
and
I added that cleanser routine. If that is not there, it will be even less. Like, because
yes.
the exfoliation time is actually like 30 to 40 seconds. That's what you are going to do. And if you are tomorrow, we are going to do the mask. That is again an
Oh,
exfoliator.
yeah.
Yes.
Nice.
So Shobna is going to hop on tomorrow, and we are doing detox mask and gold mask all together tomorrow.
That's
Yes.
nice. That's
So
nice. Okay.
yeah, so that's a event I need to create. But thank you so much, Bhavna, for hopping on. It was really,
Thank you so
really
much
sweet.
for this shine on the face.
Yeah,
I'll
no,
make sure
every
to
time
add it in my routine. Yeah.
yeah, no, I that's what I feel like, because if you see my earlier makeup or even skincare, the
Yeah.
more I started exfoliating, the more what is it, like it looks nice, because you don't even need to do 2 or 3 layers, or whether you are doing dry save,
Right.
Abita.
Yeah.
So you don't even have to do like more what to say, like 2 or 3 layers of anything. Even just with one layer you will still look nice, and it will be so easy to incorporate. So that's it.
Thank you,
Hope
Soumya.
you yeah, Bob is always there when I need something, and she'll be
Oh
so
yes,
sweet
anything
to
for you.
accept. Thank you, Da. Thank you so much. And I hope you guys learned something with us today. And
Definitely,
don't
definitely.
forget to
You
hop
guys
on
should
tomorrow.
go for this.
Yeah. Thank you, Da. Thank you so much. Enjoy
Yeah,
your
see you,
rest of
see you.
the day.
Thank you so
Bye
much.
bye.
Thank you, ladies. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye.